Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about one output based question. That means you have to tell the output of this particular program. Let me explain that what is happening here and then try to tell the what should be the output. Here I have a variable a which is of type string, but you can see it's mentioned within a quotation, correct? As well as same you can see for b, and remember that inside these two quotation there is a integer value, but the data type mentioned over here, that is string. In the similar fashion you can see that d is a variable and we are giving a plus b plus and then we are concatenating with 200. D is here and we can see that we are printing d here. Also, now in this particular three line what we are doing, we are initializing x, y and d by different operations. So the first operation is integer dot parseInt, and then we are specifying here a, as well as for the y we are specifying b, and then we are summing up the value like x plus y. This is the operator addition, arithmetic operator addition. We are doing addition over here. So you have to tell, you should have the knowledge of the string concatenation, as well as you should have the knowledge of the parseInt or integer class. So if you'll know this, you'll be able to answer this very much easily. So here the output will be for the d, the output will be a plus b and then 200. It means now the a is a string, b also a string, so it will give you the output 26, 100, then 200, and by this line it will convert this 26 string to x variable which is integer. So x is now 26 as an integer and y is now 100 as a integer, because we are converting it or parsing it. So that's why if I'll add here x plus y, that means we are now here adding x and y, that means 26 plus 100, that will be 126. So here d will produce 26, 100, 200 as a string, and then in case of d, small d, it will produce 126. Now let me compile it and let me show you the result. So here is our result. As you can see, 26, 100, 200, and then result to 126, and this one is the integer and this one is the string value. So I hope now it's clear. If you have any confusion regarding this question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.